What's the meaning of Arabian? Arabian. Arabian.
Arabian. Arabian. The term Arabian refers to people, objects, or cultures associated with the Arabian Peninsula. The Arabian Peninsula is located in Western Asia and is bordered by the Red Sea to the west, the Persian Gulf to the northeast, and the Arabian Sea to the south. The Arabians are known for their rich history, culture, and contributions to the world, including their language, Islam, and inventions such as algebra, coffee, and the compass. Today, the Arabian Peninsula remains an important region of the world with a unique blend of tradition and modernity.